Hi guys, today we are going to visit the entertainment capital of LA, that is Universal Studio. There is also Gautam. Finally, we are here in parking lot, and I see there are three types of parking: $18 for general parking, 25 for preferred parking, and 35 for front gate parking. We paid for preferred parking, which is just outside the city walk. It was about a 3-minute walk to the front gate. This is a lot. I would suggest if you are willing to pay extra, but it doesn't matter if you pay even the general parking for $18. That you have to walk around 8 to 9 minutes. That's all. So take it easy for parking lot. That not that much difference wherever you park. And another thing is if you take a ticket online, it's more convenient and little bit cheaper. I think $20 cheaper than in counter. So buy ticket online and save your time. In my case, I did ticket online, and now we are excited to go inside. I think there are lots of things and activities, rides. So let's see inside.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What is it? What's the YouTube channel?
Yeah. Global.
Let him pass. Go ahead.
And now you'll learn the secret of the $6 million man on the bionic motor. Universal Studios Tour.
Studio. झालमा बस्नु मिल्ने अलि झ्यालमा बस्नु
Go quiet on the microphone. Don't miss me too much. As we back here, we go through a little pond right there in the center of it. Now, that building is what we call a facade. I'll talk a little bit more about facades a bit later on the tour, but basically it's just the front or the sides of the building. It's where that means false front. We're only going to film what the camera is going to see. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we are turning onto New York Street. So, hey, welcome to New York. I bet you don't feel jet lag. Now, this is where you film it's like American Ninja Warrior. We'll have the epic qualifiers right out here. The also, of course, right along the street that we are traveling down. This is where Captain America first became Captain America in Captain America First Avengers, played by the wonderful Chris Evans. He first hits the Sierra and he's running down the street barefoot, jumping on taxis, chasing the Nazis. Well, that was a stunt and it was filmed right along this way. This blue glass building on your right hand side, for that particular movie, since it was 1940s New York, it was covered with a green screen and made to look like it was a construction site. But that blue building is also featured in Britney Spears' music video, I Wanna Go. Allow me just momentarily hand it over to my co-host, Jimmy Palmer. He's very excited and he wants to talk a little bit.
Oh man,
vehicles. The vehicles from the modern Stone Age family, the Flintstones. And of course, if I'm going to show you picture cars, I have to show you the vehicles from Fast and Furious. That blue and silver Nissan Skyline is the one that Paul Walker drove in Too Fast, Too Furious. We've got the gyrosphere from Jurassic World, and you might have noticed it is missing the glass. Well, the glass was never there. It was added in much later using CGI, computer-generated imagery. And the final vehicle, the Bradley fighter vehicle from Transformers, is my absolute favorite here on the lot, because believe it or not, that is a Hollywood illusion. Yeah, that's not made out of 2 tons of steel, that's mostly made out of plywood. Now it only needs to look real enough to fool you guys at home, and you guys probably believe it's just sitting a couple feet away from it. Now we built it that way. Now watch out for this guy! He doesn't do it. He doesn't even have lightning can be stroke light, but rain is very hard to break. We use a very complicated technique called a sprinkler system. Yeah, it's not that complicated. We just pump hundreds of gallons of water up in the air to let it fall down to the earth naturally. Thunder feels like bubbling. Huh. Anyways, these sets that were used in Nacho Libre terms, Black, Three Amigos with Chevy Chase, Martin Short, Steve Martin. Huh. I thought bubbling again. Anyways, music videos like Escapade with Janet Jackson or Judas with Lady Gaga. Oh my goodness! David, get us out of here. We don't want to get swept away like Poe Giamatti did in Big Fat Liars starring Frankie Muniz and Amanda Bynes. Inside the vehicle.
what we doing. This is the race day after party, and where the other?
Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move.
Bill?
That's right, party's over.
You know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not.
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, just back up a little bit. I got it. It's lightweight. First.
It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, I don't.